Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will consider one more example of how to calculate first and follow. This is the grammar. S tends to A tends to AB slash AD, B tends to B, C tends to G. Before calculating first and follow, you must and should remember the grammar must not be left recursive. That is, if any production have left recursion, you need to eliminate the left recursion first. If you observe, A tends to AD. So this grammar is a left recursive grammar. So first step, eliminate the left recursion. S tends to A. Now you know the procedure of left recursion elimination. A tends to AB, A dash tends to D, A dash slash epsilon, B tends to B, capital C tends to G. Now this is the grammar. Anyway, please check the left recursion videos, how to eliminate. We discussed the multiple examples. So here I am calculating first and follow. That is the reason directly I eliminated. Now calculate the first of each non-terminal. First of S. What is the first means? The first terminal symbol on the RHS of that production. So first of S is capital A, but we need a terminal symbol. If we have a non-terminal symbol, then what you need to do? You need to calculate the first of non-terminal, or the simple terms. S is tends to A. A is replaced with the production. Perform replacement until we are getting a terminal symbol. So for that, I am calculating first of A. What is the first of A? The first terminal symbol small a. Now you are writing this one like this. S tends to, I am replacing A with this production A, B, A dash. Now what is the first of S? Obviously small a. That is I written in the form of notations. So first of S is equal to directly A. Or else you can write like this or you can write like this. Clear? Now first of S is completed, A is completed. Now first of A dash. A dash has two productions. One is D, another one is epsilon. D comma epsilon. Now first of B is equal to directly small b, and first of C is equal to G. So we are getting the first of each and every non-terminal. Clear? Now we are calculating follow. It is the most important. Follow means you are calculating follow for a non-terminal, means identify the non-terminal in RHS of the production. Suppose if the non-terminal appear, whatever the symbol that is followed by the non-terminal, you need to include. Suppose if S is my non-terminal, S is available in the RHS. After S, if you have a terminal symbol, directly that terminal is the follow of S. After S, you have a non-terminal symbol, then you are calculating the first of the non-terminal. Suppose after S, nothing is there. So the follow of S is follow of their parent. But remember one thing, the follow does not contains epsilon. Does not contains epsilon. Now first one, follow of S is equal to, remember for the starting production we are including dollar. So in this S is the starting symbol. For that we are using dollar. Check where S is available. S is not at all available. Close. Now follow of capital A. Here observe where A is available. In the right side A is available at this. After A, if nothing is there, remember the three most important points. After a non-terminal, here nothing is there. Simply follow of S is equal to follow of their parent. Follow of A is equal to follow of their parent. Yes. So what is this answer? Dollar. Now follow of A dash. Now check where A dash is available. Here it is available. Here also available. But in the same production you no need to check. Why? Because after A dash, if nothing is available, means follow of their parent. Both are A dash. So in the same production, even though that is available, no need to calculate. Observe, here A dash is available. After A dash, nothing is there. Now, what is the follow of A dash? Follow of A dash is simply follow of A. Follow of A dash is simply follow of A. What is the follow of A? Dollar. What is the follow of A? Dollar. Now, follow of B is equal to, check where B is available. B is available at this position. Okay, B is available at this position. After that, if you have a terminal, directly that is answer. But after that, I have a non-terminal. Then what you are doing? You need to calculate first of A dash. First of A dash. So first of A dash contains epsilon. If it contains epsilon means minus epsilon, or else for simplicity I will write down like this: A tends to AB. Now this B, after B, A dash is replaced with either this one D A dash or A B A dash is replaced with epsilon. Now these are the two possible productions. Now what is the follow of B? Small d, right? What is the follow of B? Small d. What is the follow of B? After B nothing is there. So obviously follow of A. This is the answer. Observe. Here calculate first of A dash if it contains epsilon minus epsilon. First of A dash is equal to D comma epsilon minus epsilon means D union. After A dash nothing is there means simply follow of A. What is the follow of A? Dollar. So finally the answer is D comma dollar. Matched or not? If you remember this procedure, you can do, or else replace with all their possible productions. Now finally, what is the follow of C? Capital C is not at all available in any production. Simply we are writing the statement not applicable. This is the way to calculate first and follow. Thank you.